Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to meet you again. Mwah. I sent you a big kiss from the distance. Les mando un beso enorme. And today we are going to start with unit number 4. Yes, from the book, okay? So we are going to start a new topic. Vamos a empezar un nuevo tema that we have already seen the previous class on Zoom. Sí, que vimos la clase anterior en Zoom, okay? The topic is about clothes, okay? Clothes, okay? Can you see that I am wearing a sweater? Yes, estoy usando a sweater, okay? So, we wear lots of clothes. Sí, usamos un montón de clothes, especially in autumn and winter, okay? Especialmente en otoño y winter. That we are colder, sí, que tenemos más frío, okay? So we are going to learn how to say the clothes in English. Vamos a aprender cómo decir las clothes in English, okay? And by the end of the unit, you would be able to say what you are wearing. ¿Sí? Van a ser capaces de decir lo que están usando, okay? Are you ready? Yes? Let's get started. Vamos a empezar, okay? But before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel, yes, de suscribirse a mi canal, and leave the comments below, ¿sí? Dejar los comentarios debajo, if you like the video, if you don't like the video, okay? Or what you suggest about the videos, ¿sí? ¿Qué sugerís de los videos, okay? Now, let's get started, very good, okay. Here we have the cap. How is it? A cap. Very good. So, we are going to say, vamos a decir, I'm wearing a cap, ¿ok? Para decir estoy usando. I'm wearing a cap. Very good. Are you wearing a cap now? ¿Estás usando una ahora? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Excellent. So, here we have a cap. Excellent. Let's move on. Vamos a continuar. Here we have a t-shirt. Be careful with the pronunciation. Tengan cuidado con la pronunciación. A t-shirt. One more time. T-shirt. It's not t-shirt. ¿Sí? Se escribe t-shirt. But we say t-shirt, okay? So we say, I'm wearing a t-shirt, okay? One more time. I'm wearing a t-shirt. Very good. Are you wearing a t-shirt right now? ¿Están usando una hora? I think so, yes. ¿Sí? Porque tienen que tener la t-shirt, and then the sweater, yes, el buzo, and then the jacket maybe, ¿sí? La chaqueta, pero ya vamos a llegar a eso. And what color is your t-shirt? What color is your t-shirt? My t-shirt is color black, okay? Very good. But you can see it. No la pueden ver. Very good. Let's move on. Then we have the shirt, okay? The shirt. ¿Cómo es? The shirt. And the shirt has buttons. Tiene botones. Can you see it? Yes. Here we have the t-shirt that doesn't have buttons. ¿Sí? No tiene buttons. But the shirt does. Okay? Sí tiene. So here we have the buttons. Okay? Entonces, I'm wearing a shirt. Very good. I'm wearing a shirt. Do you like wearing shirts? Yes or no? For example, I don't like shirts. Do you like them? Okay, lo pueden dejar en los comentarios. Very good. Then we have a dress. How is it? A dress. Okay, very, very good. A dress. Entonces, podemos decir, I'm wearing a dress. Very good. But we can't wear a dress now. ¿Sí? No podemos usar un dress because it's cold, okay? We wear dresses when it's hot, cuando hace calor, yes? Or it's very, very hot. Hace mucho calor. So remember, dress. Be careful with the pronunciation. Dress. Very, very good. Excellent. Me encantan las pronunciaciones y lo rápido que aprenden. Siempre se los digo. And then we get to the warm clothes. Llegamos a las ropas abrigadas. Here we have pullover or sweater, okay? We can say it in both ways. Podemos decirla de las dos maneras, okay? So, I'm wearing a sweater or a pullover, okay? I prefer sweater. Yo prefiero sweater. For example, me, I'm wearing a green sweater, okay? a green sweater. Very good. Okay. Are you wearing a sweater right now? ¿Están usando un suéter ahora? And if you are wearing it, what color is your sweater? Okay. Pueden dejar what color your sweater is. ¿De qué color es su suéter? Abajo. Very good. Then we have a jacket. Okay. It's not jacket. It's jacket. ¿Cómo es? Jacket. Very good. And the jacket has buttons, tiene buttons or a zip, ¿sí? Un cierre. It's as warm as the sweater, okay? Es tan abrigado como el suéter. But the sweater has nothing, yes? No tiene nada. And the jacket has either buttons, ¿sí? Tiene o botones, or a zip, ¿sí? Un cierre. No puede tener las dos cosas. Imagina a jacket with buttons and a zip. That would be impossible. Okay, very good. Muy bien. Entonces, are you wearing a jacket right now? ¿Están usando una? Or do you prefer, for example, what do you prefer? Sweater or jacket? Do you prefer sweaters or jackets? I prefer sweaters, okay? But you can prefer jacket, okay? Pueden preferir las jackets. Entonces decimos, I'm wearing, come on, I'm wearing a jacket. Very, very good. Be careful with the spelling, ¿sí? Tengan cuidado cómo se escribe. Yes, J-A-C-K-E-T, okay? Very good. Muy bien. And then we get to the warmest cloth of all, ¿sí? Llegamos a la ropa más abrigada de todas, which is the coat, okay? How do you say it? ¿Cómo lo dicen? Coat. Very good. Coat, okay? Entonces, a ver, I'm wearing, how do you say that? I'm wearing a coat. Very good. So, if we want to go outside, si queremos ir afuera, we are going to put on, nos vamos a poner a t-shirt, yes, una t-shirt, or a shirt, yes, with buttons, then the sweater, yes, the sweater, sí, a sweater, or the jacket, sí, nos ponemos eso, and then, sí, arriba de la t-shirt, del shirt, del sweater or de la jacket, nos ponemos el coat, okay? So remember, first of all, we use a t-shirt, usamos la t-shirt, or the shirt, sí, la shirt. Then we put on the sweater, nos ponemos el sweater or the jacket, and then the coat, okay? And we are very warm wearing those clothes. Estamos muy abrigados usando eso. Yes? Okay, very good. Let's move on. Then we have la parte de abajo, okay? Which is trousers, we can say trousers or jeans, okay? These are trousers. Yes, trousers or jeans. Entonces, how do you say that? I'm wearing trousers, or you can say I'm wearing jeans, yes? Remember that jeans are blue. See, los jeans son blue, yes? But the trousers can be green, puede ser green, orange, okay? Very good. For example, I am wearing black trousers. You can see, no lo pueden ver, yes? But I am wearing black trousers, okay? But if my trousers were blue, si mis trousers fueran blue, serían jeans. Y diría, I'm wearing jeans, okay? So, what do you prefer? Jeans or trousers? I prefer trousers, okay? I don't like jeans, but it's a secret. Es un secreto, okay? Very good. Let's move on. Vamos a continuar. Then we have a skirt. Bien, be careful with the pronunciation. Tengan cuidado con la pronunciation. A skirt. How is it? A skirt, okay? Who is wearing a skirt? ¿Quién le gusta usar una skirt? Lo pueden dejar en los comentarios de abajo, okay? Entonces we are going to say, I'm wearing a skirt. Very good. Siempre que dicen lo que están usando, tienen que decir I'm wearing. Yes, which is the structure, que es la estructura. Yes? Entonces, very good. But now we can't wear skirts. ¿Sí? No podemos usar skirts because it's cold outside. ¿Sí? Hace frío. Very good. And then we have shorts. Okay? Shorts. Very good. It's not short like in Spanish, ¿sí? No es short como en español. We add an S. Le agregamos una S entonces. I'm wearing shorts. Very good. Shorts. Very good. Are you wearing shorts right now? ¿Están usando shorts? Okay. I'm not wearing shorts because I'm cold. ¿Sí? Yo tengo frío. Very good. Then we have socks. How do you say that? Socks. Okay? Socks. And how many socks do you wear? 1, 2, 3, 4. ¿Cuántos socks usan? For example, I wear four socks. ¿Sí? Como tengo frío, I wear 2 socks in one foot and 2 in the other foot. ¿Sí? Uso 2 en un pie y 2 en otro pie. Okay. How many socks are you wearing? ¿Cuántas están usando? Leave it in the comments. ¿Sí? Déjenlo en los comentarios. Very good. Okay. Entonces vamos a decir I'm wearing socks. Very, very good. And we are getting to the last part. Estamos llegando a la última parte. Excellent. And here we have trainers. Okay? Trainers. Okay? Zapatillas. Trainers. One more time. Trainers. Excellent. I'm wearing trainers. Okay? Trainers are for running. Sí, son para running. For doing sports. Para hacer deportes. Tennis. Football. Basketball. Okay? We wear trainers every day. Usamos todos los días. Okay? Trainers. Do you like wearing trainers? ¿Les gusta usar trainers? Or do you prefer wearing? Look at this. Shoes. We have here one shoe. ¿Sí? Tenemos one shoe. Por eso es shoe. But if we wear both in each foot, en cada pie, por supuesto, we say shoes. ¿Ok? Decimos shoes. Entonces, I'm wearing shoes. Very good. Shoes are for going out to a restaurant, para ir a cenar a algún lugar, o cuando nos vestimos, ¿sí? Para salir, ¿ok? So, shoes are for going out with friends, ¿sí? Salir, por ejemplo, si salimos con nuestros amigos, with mom and dad, ¿sí? Salimos con mom and dad, brother, sister, and trainers are for every day, ¿sí? Son para todos los días, for running, for doing sports, ¿ok? So, do you prefer wearing trainers or shoes? I prefer wearing shoes, ¿sí? Yo prefiero usar shoes, ¿ok? Entonces, pueden decir, dejar en los comentarios, I prefer wearing shoes, I prefer wearing a t-shirt, como ustedes quieran, ¿sí? Very, very good. Y lo que quiero que sí dejen en los comentarios de abajo, ya llegando al final, what is your favorite piece of clothing? ¿Sí? ¿Cuál es su pieza favorita? Entonces, van a decir, my favorite clothes are, mis ropas favoritas, my favorite clothes are t-shirt, skirt, dress, shoes. Pueden dejar lo que quieran, ¿ok? Y saber un poco más de ustedes y qué les gusta, ¿ok? For example, my favorite clothes are dresses, okay, dresses and coats, okay, dresses and coats, okay. Bueno, esto fue todo por hoy. I hope you like the video. Espero que les guste el video. Y bueno, I see you next week. Bye bye. Y I miss you a lot. Los extraño un montón. Les mando a big hug. Un abrazo enorme. Bye bye.